In this video, I'll walk you through how to fix Epic Games slow download and update speed. It's quite straightforward and some steps might seem complex, but here's how to do it. So go to the profile and go to settings. Under settings, go to download and install and go to download settings. So right here under download speed, you want to go ahead and check the limit download speed, and we'll be tweaking this value data. So go ahead and close it and go back to the download settings just like so, and now go ahead and impute 10,000 and also go ahead and impute 10,000 for the rest as well. Now close it and also go ahead and close Epic Games. Now you go to your toolbar just like so and exit Epic Games from here. Go to your start and search for run, and you want to go ahead and impute local app data, adding percentage at the start and at the end. Go ahead and look for Epic Games Launcher just like so and open it, and go ahead to save, and you want to go ahead and delete the web cache 4430. Go ahead and delete it just like so. Go to config, and under config go to Windows and look for engine. You want to go ahead and right click and open with Notepad. So you give it some time, it's going to provide some data, just let it load for a while. And now once this has loaded, what you want to simply do is go ahead and save it just like so and minimize. So that's right. Now go to your start and go to control panel. Now go to view by and sort by large icon and go to network and sharing center. Right here, go to change adapter settings and go ahead and select Wi-Fi and go to properties. What you want to do now is go to the properties and go ahead and change it from obtain DNS server address automatically to use the following DNS server address and impute 88888844, and go ahead and click OK and close. Now what you simply need to do is just go back, and that's how you fix it. If you find this video helpful, kindly follow, like and subscribe for more contents like this. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.